as you come through this, in privacy, the challenge with a lot of this data really becomes, what is it that you can use, right, to go ahead and make some of your decisions, and what is it that you can't, right? And so again, you've got to be very legal understanding of what information is available, what can I use, how do I make sure that I'm not discriminating against the commercial or the personal policyholder. And again, there's so many different ways that you can discriminate against them, which is really unfortunate. And this is where you get into the whole artificial intelligence and machine learning piece, is that there are proxies out there that aren't directly aligned with, hey, I'm going to discriminate against you because of your race. Well, I don't have to go ahead and do that, because maybe if I go ahead and just use a zip code could easily go ahead and identify a lower socioeconomic environment that maybe is essentially held against that person in the risk analysis. And so the challenge there is, again, from the biases and fairness of what we're learning and trying to do in this AI space, it's very, very important that as these models are being built, especially on the machine learning side, is that we do not incorporate any biases, even unknowingly, because those biases will continue to influence the outcome over time. Yeah, essentially what should be a nice normal curve of distribution of who's being covered and how they're being covered, all of a sudden will start skewing to one side or another, maybe because of the biases of the programmer, okay? And again, those may be unintended. And some of it could be from the data. And if the data is not properly prepared, again, there could be biases associated with that, all the way through the changing of the model over time. So again, these machine learning models specifically are supposed to be learning. And so as you put more data or more claims or more underwriting aspects into it, it should be refining its outcome. And what you don't want to have happen is it to continue to refine towards a bias.